everybody. This is the MakeCode Arcade live stream, where we do arcade things live. I am Vivian. I'm at LipCheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard, and it's a beautiful day here in Seattle. Make sure you watch out for traffic on the I-5. But otherwise, I actually don't know if you should watch out for traffic on the I-5. I'm Richard.
I'm Shannon, Ashika on the MakeCode forums.
And don't worry, we will get back to the Pangolin game. But there were some technical difficulties, and I didn't want to make you guys rewatch what we did exactly on last Friday. I lost the progress that we made on Friday. So I'll do that off stream. So then we'll have fresh content and code to enjoy together next. So in the meantime, we have a stopgap of a board game. What board game will it be? Well, I don't know. It'll be some kind of board game. But maybe in the meantime, we make characters. So I think we should have 4 players, and each of us should make a character to represent us in the board game.
Okay.
8 by 8.
But I'm not going to make me. I'm just going to make something that captures the spirit of me.
Yes, that is ideal.
Okay. Also, I would like to upfront apologize. My apartment building today is doing fire alarm testing. So my fire alarm might go off. I'm fine. But if that happens, I will try to mute as quickly as possible.
I'm glad you will be protected from fires.
Question. So is it 16 by 16, no outline?
I'm thinking 8 by... Okay, what do you guys think? Should we have our board game fit in just one screen? And then sometimes like we have like a overview and then like an end view. Okay, so we'll have like maybe... Okay, do me an 8 by 8, and maybe if you guys want a big one, so then when we are in like the big view, we can have like big, small, you know? My favorite.
Big, like big or big?
Let's do 32 by 32, classic size. Okay.
Like big, like Tom Hanks big, or like big, big?
Big like local state park big. Okay. Okay. What should?
Sorry, what?
Yeah, Shannon.
I'll ask in the chat. Never mind. Continue.
Okay. What should I be? I'll just make and then maybe I'll make like some I'll be a ramen packet. I've been eating a lot of ramen recently. Not because I have to, but because I love it. And then we'll put it here. And then we'll put like here. Maybe I'll change this later. Ramen packet. Done. And then we'll just fill this in with like temporary like things. I really haven't thought any of this through. But that's okay. Let's bring in an extension that we like, which is Rhino/arcade-small-tile maps.
I think it's just small tile maps.
Why am I working harder when I could be working right? Audio is great. Oh my gosh. We actually put in extra thought into the audio today. So that's good to hear. How are you guys doing?
Yeah, I got a new microphone.
Yes, Richard in particular sounds amazing today. How's chat doing? How was your guys' weekend? Did you have a good time? A bad time? An all right time? Let me know. Okay, what is 160 divided by 8? That's 8 is 220. And what's 20 divided by... Is it 20 by 8? 16?
What? What's your question?
Oh, what size should I make the tile map to make it fit the screen exactly?
Oh, you should make it 20 by 15.
Oh, I was so close. Okay, 20 by 15. Okay, and then let's make spots. So we're going to have... Okay, this board game should have a theme. What should our theme be? Maybe construction? Maybe glue? Joey, Shannon, and Richard, please all give me a single word.
Glue.
construction.
Leaf?
Leaf! You know what? To reward Shannon for her creative thinking, we're making a leaf-themed board game. Okay, so we are gonna be characters going around a great tree in the center, and we're collecting things to bring to the tree. So, thank you, Shannon. I appreciate your contribution. Joey and Richard, I also appreciate your contributions. I'm sorry.
I might forgive you someday.
Oh my gosh, I did not expect my actions to have consequences. Okay, so let's make this path around the board. Okay, and let's make some home tiles. Oh, maybe I'll do a Richard and I'll give it names. I'll be like player. Oh man. 1. This is where player 1 starts. I'll make another one. It kind of looks like PR. This one will be player 2. Over here. Okay, I have a song stuck in my head, but I don't want to, violate copyright or anything. So I would like you guys to think of a song for me to sing in my head that is in the public domain.
Let's see. Uptown Funk? No.
That is definitely not in the public domain.
The Happy Birthday song? No.
Oh, that did recently reach public domain, I think, right?
It wasn't before?
Yeah, that's why
No.
everybody was like, breathe it out like a fell, because they didn't have rights. But you know what? I would argue that maybe people singing Happy Birthday on TV counts as fair use and a cover song.
Well, I think the law would disagree with you.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. Oh, maybe I should make a different tile for an inner circle. Well,
So we have to make an 8x8 and a 16x16?
32 by
32 by 32.
But I might not actually use
What?
this 16 by 16, just making it an 8 by 8 first. And if you get bored while, we're streaming, you can make me another one.
Bored while you're
We have
streaming
to
this
have-
again? Never.
Like I was talking about, we need the interstitial, like you knock somebody back and you have to do like a fancy fight sequence to show you taking it. But I need 32 by 30.
I might make a special tile too. This will be like, you have to get into the inner circle. Okay, so let's just place, okay, let's first see if it looks good. It looks great. And then let's make a background color. This screams board games to me. The color of a table. Okay, and then let's place let's make sprites. Okay.
I think you've got all your pieces in the chat.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Player 1. Maybe I didn't really need to make an array of images. That's fine. Okay, let's make another player. Player 2. Let's go to the... What?
Question, is it okay to have heavily inspired, slightly modified from a previous stream's one? Because I kind of want to...
Yes.
There's a favorite 32 by 32 image I have.
Is it Korg? Is it Korg guy the door guy?
Oh, Joyce.
Oh no, I did it bad.
Oh, right. Yeah.
It's okay. I encountered this a lot when I was importing assets into the stream. Should I be doing that in the asset editor?
You just can't copy paste that block.
If it's a named asset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Oh, Shannon! I love this. Ah!
I 100% knew what Shannon's was going to be.
Wait, Richard, is yours also bird themed?
Maybe.
Okay, wait, maybe I'll make mine a bird too.
Oh, man. Yeah, do bird, Vivian.
I'm gonna do a bird.
Do an animal. And then we'll all be critters.
Yeah, okay. I'll be be a frog, I guess, so Joey doesn't feel left out.
I need to change my my profile picture on the forum back to a pigeon.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say anything. I was so happy.
Yeah, so if people have been looking at the forum, my profile picture recently has been a picture of me drawn in frosting on a cookie by Vivian.
It's very good.
For, the season. But it's not the season anymore. Hey, who's to say it's not, cookie season still?
It's cookie season somewhere, right?
Okay, let's make this one player 3. Richard, if I send you cookies.
You have permission to send me cookies at any time.
Excellent. Okay, let's make an array of all our sprite characters. See, I didn't think this through, but now that I'm doing this is a great idea. Super happy with the direction that this code is going. So now we can loop through all the players' turns. Okay, so maybe, okay, let's place all the characters first, and then I'll think about the turn order. So place player 1 on top of random P1. Player 2 on top of random P2. What should our board game be? Can you guys think of like something that will set our board game apart from other people's?
I think there should definitely be a random event element.
Oh.
Like when you land on a type of square, something happens.
Okay. Let's
like the chance cards in Monopoly or
the green question mark space in Mario Party.
Man, I don't play these games enough. I have no idea what this means. Okay, I will put a star to mean chance, and then we'll think of what to do when we land on this later.
No. You get a star by paying 20 coins, okay? And then, or, sometimes you just get a star for nothing. It's Mario Party after all.
True.
But,
Okay, we have stars. So let's just make the turns maybe. Okay, so what does a turn look like? Let me make a comment. A turn is move player, deal with consequences.
Yeah, so I think it's 1, you roll die. It's number 1.
Okay, 1. Roll die.
2,
this does not mean
to
die.
move.
Sorry, I need to add a very okay, 2.
You need to move your player, and if you get to a branch, you're gonna have to choose, which direction to go.
Choose direction.
3 is land on a space.
Mm-hmm.
And then 4 is, do the thing that space does.
Space related activities. Okay, cool. And this means not actually like space, it's like forest. Okay. So first off, let's make a function. Roll die. And it's going to return a number. Do you think our dice animation should be separate from the function that gives us a dice number? Well, maybe I'll just make a sprite. Okay, so what should this look like? Maybe it'll just be a sprite that appears on top. And then we'll hide it.
I'm a fan of the way that Mario Party does dice, which is you get like a dice block and it's changing numbers really fast, and then when you press A, it stops.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's make a very...
It kind of feels like you can game it,
Yeah. Game phase. And I'm not going to make this a number. I'm going to make a text string. Dice. Okay, so let's start the dice roll. Okay, so what does this mean? We have to show our big character. Maybe we should have like a function that's like seen, and then it's like an over screen, and then it's on top of everything. Okay. Wait, did you guys give me big characters? Oh, Shannon gave me a big character. Okay, let's make.
Mine's coming too. I decided to just draw this one as quickly as possible and not worry about it. But it turned out pretty good with that in mind, I think.
Totally. Start over. Wait, maybe I'll just do this in roll die. Okay, so I'll make a screen cover. Did we do something fancy for screen covers in Pangolin game?
Yeah, we did a render thing from
Sprite
Joey.
Util?
It's Sprite Util.
Yeah.
I don't know if you need a cover though. I feel like it would be okay for it to just appear above the board.
Really? Okay, cool.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, cool. I'll just do that then. Easy peasy. Okay, let's make
I feel
a
like this
list.
is a thing that computer board games do. It's like, the big dice shows up and like bounces across your screen, or like it's above and then you like roll it and then it goes away.
Oh, okay. So we don't even have to show like the big version of the player. We'll just like make the dice. Okay.
I mean, you could show the big version of the player and then the dice above them, and when you press A, they go up and hit the dice, and when it overlaps, it stops and they fall back down.
Yeah. Okay. Which one do you guys feel like we should do? Do you have a preference?
I guess I don't really have a preference, but we should make sure that whatever we do, we get these big sprites in there somewhere.
Oh, okay. Then maybe I'll just do the character. Okay. Well, okay. First, I'm gonna make dice images. Okay, we're gonna make a 1. And we're gonna make. Oh my gosh! You know what time it is, guys? It's counting time. It's time to count. 2.
That's not how a 2 looks like on a dice.
Is it not? Is it diagonal?
It's diagonal.
Okay, thank you for keeping me honest. 2. Oh my gosh. 3.
Guys, why am I the only one doing the count laugh?
What's happening?
We're counting, Shannon.
Well, sorry, I was replying to chat.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what's going on.
Oh, we're making the dice images and we're doing count along with us.
Oh, I love counting. Okay.
Me too. 4. Let me.
Sorry, I'm drawing core guys, so I wasn't paying attention.
Joey, this next laugh is all you, okay?
Yeah, go Joey.
5. I like that Joey laughed 5 times for the 5 and our last one.
Wait, we've been doing the right number for each one,
Oh, really?
haven't we?
Well, no, I've always just been doing 3.
Yeah, a classic 3.
So Richard
6.
is not so much counting.
I'm doing the count.
Ha 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 ha.
Guffaw.
I did 7. My bad. I'm bad at counting. Okay, new variable. Dice pictures. Okay, and so we're gonna make a boolean. If I okay, can I be like, while this button has not been pressed? Wait, can I do like in the button? Is a button pressed while this is not true? Wait. While this is not true, we'll change the image of the die. Okay.
Hey, people in chat, do I sound better today than I normally do? Is my question, because I have this mic now, but I don't know if it comes through because it's going over Teams still. So.
Oh my gosh, we can use the new block.
So, is your plan to call this function in like a game update?
I thought we'd start the roll die phase and then it would happen. Why? Oh, it's because it's the like forever going and it's bad.
Well, so because you need to call it repeatedly to like update the image, right? Or
I thought sorry, there should be a while.
Oh, I see.
Is this better? Is this dangerous?
Thank you, Kiki and Unsigned Arduino.
What did they say? Do you sound better?
They said it sounds good.
Yay. I like that you have to lean over to talk into it every time. Okay, so we have
Well,
dice.
I don't think I actually need to. I'm just being self-conscious about it, you know?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's not A button pressed.
I need to get a fancy setup like yours where it's like hanging in.
Yeah,
You know?
my mic came with this, so it was very easy. Okay.
So the other thing you could do is you could have so you're in game phase dice, and you could have like a flag that is like stopped, and then in a game update you could change the image if it's not stopped. I don't know if Richard, Joey have better ideas.
Oh.
Okay, wait. So if the game phase is dice, yeah, so I think you're going to need a phase that's like dice rolling and dice stopped.
I see. If game phase. Okay, let's do dice rolling. Maybe we don't do on game update forever. Maybe we do this one. And we'll do like a string equals. Boop, 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 boop. That's in logic. Yes. If game phase is equal to and here, thank you. Dice rolling. Then we'll update the image. Let's drag this back out here. And then we'll set the game phase to dice rolling in here. And then, okay. We'll just, and then let's just do this.
So I think that you should make it when you press A, the character does a jump. And that way it's harder to time because you can't just press A.
Sorry, the die just started working. Okay, press A, the character does a jump. And then what if we make a projectile that follows it to the die? Oh, okay. Also, let's make a function. Player turn. And then let's set current player to be, make a variable, current player number.
Yes, Dalbix has pointed out that we are very inconsistently using the word die and dice.
Because I know what the right one is, but it's weird to say.
What if there's like multiple dice on top of each other, and so we're only seeing the top one right now? That's what I think.
It's a secret second die.
Yeah.
Could be, yeah.
Player turn. Okay. Oh, wait, maybe we should be like next player turn. And then we can like change the current player by, okay, let's set it by 1 plus. Yeah, let's just right now have each player roll the die, and then I'll be happy. +1. And then we'll just like fill in the gaps in between. That might be a bad idea. But then we'll get the player turns correct. What was I doing? Oh yes, this is going to be mod. So remainder of this with 4, the number of players. And then let's do current player, and we'll have the sprite, which we will keep data on probably. And
You know, I think I like the word die because it's like a murder of crows, you know? It's like, it gives some edge.
I don't like that. It's scary. I want it to be, chill. It's just a square with friends, what gives it the
Okay,
right
but
to be
say you're
intense?
playing a murder mystery game. Would you rather roll a dice or would you rather roll a die?
I would like to be immersed in the murder mystery game experience and not think I'm rolling anything at all.
Oh. Well, clearly you've never been in a real murder mystery experience because there's a lot of dice rolling involved.
Really? I've done
My
like
detectives always carry around a tiny pouch of dice.
Okay, we're going to have to talk more about this later because I have follow-up questions. Maybe this needs to be faster so we don't miss the A button pressed. Okay, and then if A button pressed, we're going to have... Oh, that looks cool. Wait, okay, so do we want to bring the big sprite images in now? Because otherwise we'll, forget.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they're all in there.
Okay, cool. What's up, Joey?
I was just saying, yeah, I put mine in there.
Oh, okay. I thought you're trying to say something, but then I kept
Also, I
talking.
think Richard is not on the map.
Oh.
I see how it is.
my
Oh
bad.
yeah, it's player 3 twice.
Oh my gosh, I'm player 4?
Wait, I got confused. What?
It's the variable in
Oh,
the placement files. The very
I
last
see.
one.
I see. Thank you, Shannon. You're player 4. Are you sad about that?
Well, growing up as a big brother to a younger brother, I'm always player 1,
So aren't you so
It's just-
happy? Mm-hmm.
See,
Sorry.
now you know what it feels like to get the half-broken controller where the stick kind of works.
No, I get the cool black GameCube controller, which was the best one.
Not the miniature wireless one that, you can kind of fit your hands on.
No, we had that one, and someone stepped on it, and the joystick was broken. Yes, but luckily we had 2 good ones, so that one just always went to whoever the guest was.
Richard, there's some good things about being player 4. Which Shannon will share with you right now.
You get to watch the other people, right?
Yeah.
There's like
yeah.
a little game theory advantage. You get to
Yeah.
understand what they're doing and plan your turn around it.
Yeah, if you don't understand how the game works, you don't need to ask for directions because the game will already, be going.
Yeah, there's like a strategic advantage because everyone else does their moves and then you can calculate your move based on that.
Yeah.
This is lame, guys. You're not convincing me.
Okay, let's make this 32 by 32. This is Shannon's big image. No.
At the end of the game, you'll be the one that decides the winner because your turn will be the last one.
I don't think that's how that works.
It could be
Shannon,
how our
many-
game works.
How many crows would you estimate you have drawn for this stream?
One murder?
At least 4? Crows are cool. That's
No,
the...
I completely agree with you. I'm glad you're injecting crows into all of these things.
Me too.
They're awesome.
Oh man. The little cape.
Okay, so
Wait, that's not Core Guy the Door Guy. That's the King Corgi from the dog park game.
Well, I took Core Guy the Door Guy and I modified him to be a king character, yes. It's a separate rendition of a king.
okay, so we're gonna bring big characters in, and then we'll have them attack, jump, and then do their turn. So let's make new variable big character, and then it's gonna be a sprite. I'm gonna use the array get value at current player number, big pictures. Let's make this a different kind. Dice related.
Gotta say, I'm really confused as to why player 3 is the winning one in this poll right now. It just seems like the last one I would pick.
Wait, we have a poll? What's the poll?
I think it's because
Why
Davix
is
posted
it
a story that included so I had to slow down 3 miles.
Oh, did that cast
Oh,
a
that's
vote?
what it
I
is.
think it took the last number in that.
I think I voted. I don't know. Player 1 for life.
vote. Yeah. Vivian tied it. Oh man, it's dumb that it takes whatever number is present in the message.
Okay, so big character. Let's place them in a pleasing position, which is right here, the best
Can you
position.
only vote once?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Aw.
Okay, and then on A button pressed. Should we use a movement animation? I can do this now. This is a skill I have acquired. Okay, I'm going to show my skills. So we're going to have a small H.
Might
What?
be it might be easier if you instead of doing it like this, you just make it do a jump and then do an overlap. Because with this, you're gonna have to like pause, or you're gonna have to check store in a variable if you are jumping or not.
Okay, sure. Let's do big character VY negative 60 and then give it gravity.
Yeah.
Big character AY 3000.
That's too high.
That's too high. 300. They need to jump more. Negative 180. That's a satisfying jump. Okay. Also, let's give the dice a kind of dice. I'm going to make it dice. I don't like die. And then let's do an overlaps of kind dice with kind die sprites. Okay. I'm serious about this. We're going to get the die. Okay, we're going to get the die image. Oh, okay. Wait. Let's find get random value. Where's the find one? Find index of. Okay, from the dice pictures, we're going to find the index of the dice image. Die. What am I doing? Die. Is that what I called it? Yeah. Okay, it's going to be number. Okay, let's make a function, and it's just going to be called go. Go. And this is going to be spaces. That's the number of spaces we're going to go. It's very intuitive. And then we're going to call the function. And then we're going to, and this one will be like, we'll make a new state. We'll be like moving character, game phase. Moving. Okay.
Yeah, Dabix, the reason that we don't have the coins thing enabled is because you need to be an affiliate, which means you need to monetize our stream, and we're about coding. We're not about earning money.
Yeah, we might look into it. I talked to Abhijit, and he's like, oh, maybe look into it. But I want to be able to have points.
External ones that do the same exact thing. And I think I've seen those just as often as the internal ones, but they do it through just like a third-party bot.
We should do that. I want points. Current player. Oh, okay. Also, let's destroy the dice. Maybe we'll do an effect later. Destroy both of these. Will you guys tell me if something fun happens in chat? I can't read chat when I'm doing it. I'm not great at multitasking.
We did get a question earlier that was from Unsigned Adreno. What happens when a player overlaps another player in the game?
Maybe they should fight.
Yeah.
There's so much potential, and instead of
smush the other one. You know the Pixar intro, the the lamp that squishes the other lamp. We should do that, but with the characters.
Agree. Okay, debugger. Just show me where the problem is. Please don't make this Aha. Current player. Did I not? Michael?
Is that current player number?
Current. This one has never been set. Maybe? Nope. Okay, so it is angry because current player has not been said. List. It's because this is just list. Classic mistake. So this should be, what did I call this? Video game characters. 5. Okay, and then Oh man. Should I do the one where you choose which way to go? That seems like a lot of pain. Maybe we just give the most space to go. How do we decide where you go? Path find? Sorry, I'm trying to decide. Yeah.
You should always go like clockwise,
Uh-huh.
I think. And then when you get to a branch, you say, I'm going to go this way, or I'm going to go that way.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay. So I think we have... Oh my gosh, I already forgot what I was thinking. Okay. We have a function. Make a function. Find space. Wait, maybe this should just go and go. No, we're going to find tile to go to. And then it will check to the right. It will check to the bottom, and then the left, and then the up. Okay. This seems like a lot of work. Is there an easier way to do this? Okay. Edit function. Then we're going to do this recursively. Spaces. If spaces is equal to 0. We can't pass in current. Okay, let's make a variable that's current position. Man, did not expect this to be such an issue. Okay, current position, tile maps. So we need to get the position that this current sprite is on, location of. Oh man, gotta scroll down. Location of current player. Okay, if this is this, if we don't need to go anywhere else, then we're going to return the current position. Else, please don't be mad at me. I promise I'll give you. Okay. Okay, we're going to call find tile to go to. And then it's going to be spaces -1. Why am I spending so much time trying to find the minus button? -1. And then we need to set current position. And then it's going to be if the position to the right of the current position is a valid thing to go to. Let's make another function. Is valid tile. Maybe this will be like column. Maybe I should have just done this to begin with. That's fine. Column, row. Location to the right of current location, current position. Aha, this one. Okay, so if it is this, because the issue is we have things that multiple things that are valid tiles. So this is why we got to do this. I copied the wrong block. I keep on copying the wrong block. What is going on? Or if it's a star, or if it's a this one. Return true. Else return false. I guess we could have just returned this. Maybe one day I want this to be a shorter function. Okay. If tile to the right location right, and we also do need the column. Okay, location to the right of current position. What's happening? Oh, Richard, I think, was Richard typing?
Yes. but-
Richard's typing went away and I got scared. Sad. Okay. Okay, let's call our function is valid tile. Column. Row. Okay. Set current position to B. Location right. Also, if I'm going down the wrong way, will you guys let me know if you guys think I'm going down the wrong way?
No, I've thought about this before, and it feels like it's pretty tedious to implement in Arcade at the moment. However, I've thought about it.
Cool.
I think we might need to keep track of like last tile that you were on, just as a backup too, just to say like,
Why?
don't move to that tile, don't go backwards, always go forwards. Is probably the easiest thing I can think of to make sure that it goes like in a circular way.
I think, can we get away with not doing that? Because hopefully the way we set up the board is okay, or not.
Maybe.
I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope, because I don't want to do that. And let's bring in another extension, near and dear. Arcade storytelling. PXT storytelling? PXT storytelling. No, it's arcade-story. Arcade-story. Okay. And then we will, okay, so we'll call this function find tile to go to, and then we will queue a story part where we move to that place. We won't stay on the board all the time, but that's okay. Okay, when you're playing a game in real life, you know, you're not going like that. You're like picking the piece up and placing it down. So, you know, it's fine. Okay. Did I think through my code? Nope. Let's just hope it works. Don't worry, I'll fix this. We can't deal with the situation where we might need to turn twice. So let's get rid of this situation. Maybe this will be like your home, and if somebody else lands on your home, something happens, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I picked up my glue and I was going to drink it. Okay, hit that dice. 5, go, please. Did I call the function? I'm not confused, but I think this might be a quarter. No, I called go. Did I not call something else? It should be spaces. Okay, go.
Oh no.
That's not. Oh, it should be +1.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Go. Go, please. I'm sorry. Go. Find tile to go to. Okay, let's just. Okay, maybe we change the thing to be a special tile so then I can tell if it found the right thing. Set this at current position.
Maybe you should do it at the beginning of the function, so you're always setting.
Oh. Good call, good call. I need to make a new special tile. this. So you're like, ah, yes, I'm so glad to see this tile. And then let's set a smiley face.
Yeah.
It works! Okay, so what's going on here? Current player. Oh, maybe I just do a follow?
Try just placing it on there.
Okay, yeah.
And see if,
Totally. This is a V1, board game. We don't have the luxury of animations. That's not in our budget. Okay, let's just go. Yes, excellent.
Nice.
Get rid of this. Okay, do event. Then let's.
So I think
Mm-hmm.
I think something that might work is if you use the other move too. So yeah, the move to XY, and then you get the XY of that tile.
Okay.
Do we have that?
Is that in the regular tile?
Does the location column rows have it in the drop down?
Oh, yeah.
Secret. Aha.
Nice.
Actually, it should be in current positions. Okay, let's just make a new variable. I hate making more variables. Okay. Future home of this player. And then it's gonna be this one. And then we're gonna do current player. Nope. Current player. Move to future home of this player. X and Y. And now it will work. Feast our eyes. It works. It was in the budget. We found the budget. Okay. Now, let's do tile event. No. What's the professional term for a board game space?
Square.
A business office.
Okay, I'm going to call it that, and we're going to be super confused. Business office event.
Perfect.
And then let's call that do business office event. And the business office event, let's always make sure to set the new game phase. Am I using this? But we might. Event. And then, depending on what the tile is, get the tile of the current player. Is it in this category? Is it in this category?
I think it's yeah, so you need the tile at tile map location. Oh, sorry, yeah, the one below that.
Wait,
in scene.
Oh, okay.
There's tile to keep going down. Yeah, tile to the left of my sprite.
Thank you, Shannon. Tile to the center of current player is this one. Else, do we have anything else special?
Could be someone else's home.
Oh. Maybe that's a V next. Maybe we don't have the budget for this. Goodbye, boss. Okay, if it's a special event, then what should we do for the event?
Start
Anything?
confetti effect for 1 second and say special.
Yeah. Start screen for 1 second. And then screen splash special. I love getting directions like this. I feel like it can really deliver on the things I'm asked for. Okay.
Make sure you pause for 1 second and then say special.
Thank you. pause for 1 second. Okay, let's check our list again. Make sure we hit everything. Hold on, space, do space. Okay, next we can call our function. Next, play your turn. Is that everything? Is this gonna work? Is this gonna be a board game? Wait, it's going the wrong direction.
You know, Pigeon Richard is a free spirit.
I love this like lawless terrain.
Mhm.
This is great. This is so fun to watch.
I'm very entertained by this. Look at the.
I think Pigeon Richard's stuck now, probably.
Really?
Pigeon
I
Richard
guess
does
unless
not
you get an
have
odd
corners.
number.
Pigeon Richard just knows what he likes, you know?
It's the pit of doom. Nobody can escape from the bottom right corner.
Also, I
Yeah.
feel like I haven't had a turn in a while.
Really? Right? No, I've just been like speeding through. Wait, let's
Oh, am I also stuck?
see. You're also stuck.
As soon as you get to the bottom right, you are.
For some reason, getting a 5 got me out of it for a second.
It'll get you out because it's going back and forth. So any
Gotcha.
odd number will put you 1 off.
Okay, I'm gonna solve this problem. Oh, do I? Okay, what should we do? Should we just hope that your player ends in a good place?
No.
Okay.
This, yeah.
Well, we have 7 minutes left, so okay, I can do this. I'm going to
We should come back to this tomorrow. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Okay. Then in the meantime, should I try to fix the problem, or what do you guys want to do with our remaining 6 minutes?
Debugging can be for later.
Yeah. We'll
Oh.
list our favorite types of frogs.
Okay, I like arrow frogs.
Is that poison dart frog?
Yes, that's what I meant.
I like
They're
those,
poisonous.
yeah, I like those frogs that they freeze themselves during the winter in the bottom of ponds.
Oh. Can I change my frog?
Yeah, do it.
I like those frogs that sing in the background when you're singing a song in the wild and you need accompaniment and they're like wah wah.
They all sit on a row in a log. and then
Exactly.
in order of like note pitch.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. Perfect.
Good frogs.
Shannon,
You mean
go.
like just pitches, or do you mean like the "Hello, my baby, hello, my honey"?
Wait, how does that
frog?
go? What is that frog? Teach me.
It's old timey. Well, not old timey. It's like
Well, I know the song,
20
but
years
is there
ago
a
or
frog in it?
Well, yeah, there's a frog that sings that, and then it only sings that when its owner is not there,
A frog sang that
or
song?
when its owner is there, and then not when anybody else is there.
Vivian, there's a flip rotate tool.
Yeah.
I've just been conditioned, you know. Well, hopefully, others will learn from my mistake.
I like the little round frogs that like swell up to be a sphere and then deflate with the high pitched noise.
Good frogs, everybody.
Joey hasn't said a frog yet.
I thought he did. I thought you said the hello, my
No,
darling
he was
frog.
asking Vivian if that was the one she liked.
Oh, no. I like the ones like in Little Mermaid, when they're in the boat and then they're like, whoa, whoa.
I'm sorry, there are frogs in The Little Mermaid?
Maybe?
Isn't that seawater?
There's a boat scene. There's when she's a person. They're in
Yeah.
a boat.
Like,
A
sha-la-la-la-la, my oh my.
A boat that's like not on the ocean.
I think it's in like a pond.
Yeah,
I'm
they're
not
in a
sure.
lagoon. They might say lagoon.
I thought you were
in the
talking about the
song.
Ocarina of Time frogs who sing along with you while you're playing your ocarina.
Also good frogs.
Wait, what? Aren't there frogs in Animal Crossing to be like the notes?
I mean, yes, and there are also frog villagers and frogs you can catch.
Well,
It's
Guys,
weird.
Joey hasn't said his frog yet.
I did.
What's your
The
frog?
mimic poison frog. It's like yellow with spots, and then it's got blue legs.
Mimic?
Yeah.
Is it
It
like...
pretends to be a treasure chest when you're in a
Oh.
dungeon.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's Michigan J Frog that I linked, by the way. Which is the singing frog.
There's so many good
All right.
frogs.
Well, thank you everybody for tuning in.
Oh yeah, thanks everybody. Are we done?
Another episode of Frog Facts.
What's your
All right.
favorite frogs? Sorry.
Vivian, would you like to sing our classic Frog Facts outro song? The one we do at the end of every stream?
It's been a hippity hoppy time. I hope you don't like too many rhymes because this has been the MakeCode Arcade Live Show. My name is Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful and the MakeCode forums. I'm
Joey at J1 on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Ribbit. Ribbit. Something. There's something there.
At Richard on the.
Oh yeah. And I'm Shannon at Chicago.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Will we be doing board game tomorrow? Will we be doing Panaglin game tomorrow? Who knows? The only way you'll know is by tuning in tomorrow. Okay,
We
bye.
like to keep you guessing.